Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are moving on to issue 67. And, well, we've got some parts here. I have absolutely no idea what these are. So let's get it open. Let's see what we got. So here are the parts we get with this issue. We've got the bottom supports, we've got bottom plates, and a whole bunch of screws. And I can't tell you how freaking excited I am, because this is where we finally start building the body. Alright, and to begin, you're going to want to take one of these assemblies here, and with the angle facing away, we're going to want to take one of these assemblies and basically slide it in. If you take a look on this side, there is a little post and a hole. There are two holes here, so you want to line it up so the post goes into the bottom hole and the top one lines up as a screw base, and these holes here are going to be facing towards the center. Now I don't think it makes much of a difference, but the instructions do have the writing on this plate facing up when you're holding it like this. And what we're going to want to use is the screws that actually came with this issue. These silver screws here, and you can see the head is flared a little bit so that it will fit flush inside there. See, nice and neat. And now we'll do the same thing with the bottom one, and again, these holes face the inside, so it should line up just like this. Alright, and with this in place, we'll just take this assembly, attach it here in exactly the same way. And there you go, the assembly is complete, and well, it's looking nice. And that actually completes this stage. Well, that was a short and sweet issue, but definitely progress and starting to head towards that final centerpiece of R2, his body. And so I'm very excited about this. And this is a nice weight, nice solid metal plates here. So if you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.